Welcome, Sunny fam. This is our New Year's resolution series. This is going to be a 10-minute workout, all low impact, but still that HIIT workout, so high intensity interval training. But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you stay tuned to all of our workouts. So let's get into this guy. We're gonna go starting with just a nice easy warm up. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, knee. Just that. All right, little side steps. As we're getting into the warm up, I'm going to kind of describe what we're gonna do for this low impact but high intensity workout, okay? So no jumping, but we're going to add some intensity with maybe coming up to our toes or the speed of our movement, all right? So friendly to the joints, but maybe not so friendly to the heart, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right, now just squats, down and up. Now, squats will become part of one of our movements today. We'll go for a little squat to toe raise. It'll be nice. Woo! But what's really great about this workout, no repeats. Once we're done, we're done. We move on to another move. We're gonna work for 30 seconds and then have a 30-second rest before we get into the next one. And that will allow us for that high intensity. Yeah? Yeah. All right, little side reach. So we're just gonna reach because we will bring some arm movements into it. We'll basically start in standing and then we'll work our way down towards the floor because we can still be high and intense and interval training on the floor. Yeah, get ready for it. Woo! Guys, you know, I know sometimes New Year's resolutions get a little bit of a bad rep. Forward, back, you know, they might feel pressurizing, but I think it's good to kind of reflect on what you did the year before and maybe set some intentions and some goals for the next year. You're starting afresh, you know? Maybe you start afresh at your birthday, I don't know. But it's always good to kind of sit back and reflect. It's always nice. All right, 3 more seconds here. Woo, okay, deep breath in. Exhale. Maybe get some water if you need it. I'm going over our first move. It's going to go high, low with that side punch. I punch up, I punch down. Up, down, okay? We're gonna go in about 10 seconds now. High intensity. We're going for speed. If your range of motion is here, that's okay with me. You ready? 3, 2, let's go. Whoo! Up and down. So we high, low, high, low. We're punching, we're jamming. We're punching, we're jamming. We're here, we're here. You might be here and here. But you are working that speed. Oh my gosh, let's go. 10 more seconds. Keep it up. Keep it up. Squeeze in that core. Feet are staying planted onto that ground. 3, 2, rest. Okay, feels fine for now. Yeah, it's gonna sneak up and attack you. Yeah. Okay, lateral fast feet is going to be next. We're gonna go forward, back, like we did in the warm up, but we're gonna go laterally. Okay, you still have 10 seconds. Remember, high intensity, we go all out speed. Maybe it's just a toe tap for you in place. Ready? 3, 2, little bend in those knees and go. Little fast feet, as fast as you can. Ooh, I'm gonna switch my lead every single time just for funsies. Oh my gosh, give myself a little brain teaser. Love them. Ooh. You gotta try to convince yourself in these high intensity workouts to push just a little bit faster, right? Because we're not going crazy with the power here. We're going crazy with the speed. Just a little bit faster and rest. Okay, shake it out. Not that bad. Now, some high intensity workouts, you might work longer and then have a shorter rest. I like to do more of a 1-to-1 ratio so that you really get to slow down, recover, and then really bring the power, all right? So lunge taps, here, just here. You're gonna be a little higher if you need to. 3, 2, let's do it. This one's going to burn that standing leg, and I mean lunging leg, I guess. Yeah. See if we can pick up that speed even more. Use the arms, use that core, stay here. I know you're like low impact, right? Yeah, this is still low impact. Crazy, right? Woo! Just means that you don't have to jump to get a good workout. You don't have to jump to do high intensity interval training and rest. Oh. New year, new you. I know it sounds silly, but I love it. I really do. I think it's great. Whew. Okay, I think Wendy even said it in one of her workouts for this New Year's resolution. And, you know, she was like, oh, and I was like, yeah, but it sounds great. Okay, other side. Other side. We can do it. Speed. Go as fast as that other one. Soft bend in this knee, full foot, gripping that floor. And we go, go, go. Yeah. Low lunge, you can be up higher, right? If you need a little bit less, or challenge yourself even more, get lower. Speed work, speed work, speed work. Yes, little tap, little tap. 30 seconds of speed, come on, 10 more. Squeeze it through, keep the core tight, shoulder blades are back and down. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yes, jazz hands for you. Okay, squat to calf raise. So we're bringing those squats back. Couple options. So from the side, it's gonna look like this. We're coming down, up to the toes. Down, up to the toes. That's where we're getting power, right? Speed work, but not jumping. Option 2, here, calf raise. So they're splitting them up. Yeah, let's go. Here, explode. So I'm going right down into the squat, up to the toes. Option 2, I squat, stand, calf raise. Squat, stand, calf raise. I'm still going for my speed, but I'm letting those heels drop before I let my hips drop. Keep it going. I'm going back to that full motion. Like you almost want to jump. Sometimes jumping is actually easier. Rest. I know, I almost came for you. Okay, we're almost done. 10 minutes. Oh my God, it feels so good. And if you're just starting on your fitness journey, it's great to start with 10-minute workouts. Don't think that you have to do an hour. Start small, slowly progress. Yes? AKA download the Sunny Fit app. Oh, I know, and then you can follow me on the app and hang out. All right, plank, shoulder taps. Ready? We're up, tap it, tap it. Join me right now. You can also go here, maybe tapping just the elbows, tap those shoulders. We're going for speed. Pick it up right now. Trying to not let those hips tilt at all. Side to side. Trying to keep you flat. Woo! Okay, almost there. We can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Mountain climbers, I know. I already know. You're like, this is the reason why I don't like to work out, mountain climbers. I hear ya, okay? But if you can do them here, here for speed, okay? Other option, marching high knees standing. You choose, okay? I'm gonna get down on the floor and suffer through them. All right, woo! Okay, speed, go. 30 seconds. Sometimes you have to sing to yourself to get yourself through this stuff. Because otherwise you're like, why am I a fitness trainer? Why do I do this for a job? What? And it's to motivate you. Okay, keep going. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Oh my gosh, yikes. Faster. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. I did not look at the clock, but I did time that perfectly. Okay, on the bush, on the bush, on the bush, on the booty. Guys, who knows? Sometimes you're like, I should never be on camera, right? Sometimes it's sneaky. Okay, 10 seconds. We're going sprinter abs. Option 1, here. Option 2, you choose. I'm going full. Let's go. Down, up. Still working my speed. This is our final move. Oh my goodness. If you need support, you can be here. Still working all the muscles, but you're supporting, not putting so much into your shoulders. Woo! Yeah. We're there. We're squeezing. Just as proud. Oh my goodness. You did it. Okay, guys, that was only 10 minutes. If that felt great, awesome. Stop, do a stretch. If you're like, I want more, repeat. Start from the top. You can do it, okay? Get a sip of water, maybe have a little break during the warm-up, and then get right back in. You can do it. Happy New Year. I'm so happy you joined me. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.